So another plant that I was excited about getting from the nursery recently is this Nasturtium. And from what I understand, they are not only good for culinary and herbs, like it says here, um, but they are very low maintenance. They don't tend to need very specific care. And as you can see, they are yet another good source for pollinators. Um, but apparently, they're also a good trap crop. And what that means is that things like aphids will, to some extent, be drawn to them. And the idea is that they'll be drawn to them instead of other things. Um, and I'm going to experiment with this, and we'll see if the variety of aphids that I have are drawn to this instead of my brassicas. I have some skepticism, but if it helps, then that's cool. I've got it right next to the aphid outbreak right here, and I'm going to have to spray these off again. Um, the spraying has worked for the most part, but I have some that return in different spots. So we'll see if those aphids are at all interested in this. And you can also just like pick this and eat it like a salad too. I haven't started picking it yet just because I just brought it home. I don't want to shock it, and I just repotted it, so I don't want to start plucking stuff from it. But it has all of those interesting uses, so that was a good addition to the garden. And they look really neat too. They're like little lily pads or something floating in the air. They're a neat plant, and from what I understand, low maintenance. So I am looking forward to having this one around.